Today we are making Dynamite Shrimp, everyone's favorite appetizer. But have you ever made them with pancake mix? Yes, this version is absolutely delicious. Let's try out this easy recipe, but first go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. I am using about a pound of frozen shrimp that I thawed out. These are already peeled and deveined. I just gave them a quick rinse. I am using a cup of pancake mix, and you can use any pancake mix of your choice. I will also be adding 3/4 of a cup of cold soda water. Now let's talk about spices. We will be using a teaspoon each of red chili powder, paprika, chili flakes, and garlic powder, and salt to taste. Now let's marinate our shrimp. We are just going to toss all of the shrimp along with our spices and mix until well coated. Now set this aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. While our shrimp is marinating, let's make the special sauce. We are going to take a 1/4 cup of mayo and add 2 tablespoons of sriracha and 2 tablespoons of honey. Now add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix this really well until combined. Now let's prepare the batter. We are going to stir together our pancake mix and the cold soda water until we have a nice smooth consistency. Now let's add some flavor to our batter. I will be adding some red chili powder, salt, and garlic powder, and I used about 1/2 teaspoon of each. Make sure it is all well mixed. And now our batter is ready for the shrimp. We will heat up enough oil for frying on medium-high heat. You do want to be sure that your oil is fully heated before you start frying. Dip your shrimp into the batter and drop it into the hot oil. Keep in mind that shrimp does cook very fast, and you only need to fry these for about 3 minutes. Let's place these on a rack so the excess oil drips off. Now that all of the shrimp is ready, let's go ahead and plate these. Drizzle some of that special sauce all over. Garnish with some chopped spring onion, cilantro, and green chilies. I did not have any spring onion. I thought I did have some in my fridge, but apparently I did not. So I'm skipping those. And I like to drizzle some extra sriracha on the top for some nice pop of color. Our beautiful plate of Dynamite Shrimp is ready to be devoured. I am going to have these right away. They taste best when they are warm and fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipes. I will catch you next time.